That was a great 3-mile run.
I don't know a better way to start off the day than with exercise and then donuts. Womp, womp.
Wow.
From the city to this.
Yeah, how pretty.
Hi, we're Jen, Elliot, and Ollie. In 2019, we left the United States and backpacked through 11 countries, all before deciding to come back home and try something completely new, pivoting into boat life. Our current adventure is America's Great Loop, a 6,000-mile journey through small towns, big cities, and the wilderness from the eastern portion of the United States, through the Great Lakes and Canada, and down the Midwest rivers, all aboard our home on the water, Pivot. Make sure you subscribe as we share our journey through the highs, lows, and everything in between.
Good morning. It is our last day in Nashville. And the cold front came in.
Yeah, it's a very chilly morning, but we are starting our day off with a little bit of exercise because we're gonna need it before our first activity. Beginning workout. Destination on the left. That was a great 3-mile run, and we have arrived to one of the arguably best donut places in Nashville, and there's multiple locations throughout Nashville. We ran to the location in East Nashville because it's convenient to our grocery stop, which is next up, but first we are going to get some legendary donuts.
We got the pumpkin spice layered donut, 2 vanilla cream layered donuts, and an apple fritter. Alright, gotta start with the classic. It's like a croissant mixed with a donut. And this vanilla cream on top is just so light and airy. This is like, the run was well worth it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Now for the apple fritter. It's not that sweet, which I like. The glaze on top is sweet, and then you have the chunks of apple in there. But it's a different texture. It's more of a traditional, maybe cake style donut maybe. But it's really, really good. No words.
It's perfect. The last donut is the pumpkin spice latte donut, and they had 2 versions of this one. The yeast one, which is a typical donut, and then their traditional 100-layer, more croissant style donut, which is what they're known for. So I got that version, and it looks so good. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So it's filled with like a pumpkin spice, like pie kind of flavor inside.
Are you gonna drink your milky?
I have the pumpkin flavor on top, in the middle, creamy icing on top, layers of donut. It's so good.
I don't know a better way to start up the day than with exercise and then donuts. I'm sure we're still in the negative as far as calories after how good those were, and how cakey they were, and everything about those donuts was amazing. But now we are gonna go to the grocery store and re-provision for the next week.
One thing is for sure, those donuts are not Stuart approved. Our friends on Doghouse who are super athletic, super fit, in shape, I would not be approved by Stuart.
I wasn't gonna run to Aldi's, but it's so cold. I don't have that layer that Jen has, so I'm gonna push through the donuts that are jumping up and down right now.
Let's get inside. Come on. Hi. Hi. Hi.
We are all set to go. I took a nice shower. Jen will probably take one while we're underway. But I was trying to fly the drone again for the first time after we got dunked in the mud. And I cleaned it out pretty well, but I wanted to test it on land because I didn't want, if there was an issue, I wanted it to like fall and crash on land instead of in the water where it was really gonna be uncoverable. So I flew it up, I tested it for a while, it looked fine. I sent it up to get some shots of Nashville, and as soon as I sent it up and was spinning it around, motor error, and it just fell from like 100 feet or whatever, right on the concrete. Womp, womp, womp. This is very, it was not a cheap drone either. Oh, yeah. You know, that just is what it is. Nothing we can do about it now, and we'll have to figure out a plan forward. But I'm very sad.
Goodbye, Doc. Goodbye, Nashville. We will see you again. You were fun.
Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore. It's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore. Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Ooh, wait for our home to show on the horizon soon.
We are coming down the Harpeth River to anchor tonight. I'm just super excited to drop the hook here because it's so beautiful. Like, there's a great blue heron. Like, there's two of them actually. One's flying and one's sitting there. So much wildlife, the amazing cliff faces, and it's just very secluded. Like everything we want in an anchorage.
What I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore.
I'm ready when you are. That's what we are dreamers. Okay. Starting. Yeah, it's biting. And set the bridle.
And we're back. Oh, cliffs and seclusion.
Wow.
From the city to this.
Yeah, how pretty. Let's throw up the drone. Oh, wait.
Wow,
Too soon.
Too soon.
Got a way of keeping me up.
Tonight for dinner we are having soup. And we're having a chickpea, lemon, fennel kind of soup with a lot of herbs. And it's kind of exciting because tonight we're having it with some bread because we got fresh bread at the store today. So it'll be soup with some nice bread.
I don't know how you feel the air in your lungs. You could talk your way around the big old sun. But I keep hoping that the end won't come, honey. I could listen to you all day long. When the words run out along with our old age, I still hear you in many other ways. And if I fall blind, I will see you the same. I will always find a way to love you, babe. I will always find a way to love you, babe.
Right, dinner is served. Looks pretty good, and we're excited to eat it with some bread. It's not very often that we get somewhat fresh bread. I mean, it's not the most freshest bread in the world. It's not from a bakery, but given that it's relatively fresh bread, we're pretty excited. Thanks for watching our journey as we transit back to the Great Loop route. We'll be there in a few short days, and make sure you watch tomorrow as we travel back to Clarksville, Tennessee. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, we're eating all of them here.
All of them? High five. High five. Oh, yes. Good girl. Good girl. I don't know what's making noise on our chain.
We have weird noises.
Weird
going on
noises.
Right now. It's so strange. Maybe it's because Halloween's in 5 days. Spooky, spooky, spooky.
Oh.
What is it? What is it? Look. No, Ollie, come on. Over here. Get over here. Come on. Oh, up.